For those who love the great outdoors, you need an SUV that's ready for adventure. And that's where the Toyota Sequoia excels. With a namesake that evokes California's giant redwoods, Sequoia has family camping trips and cross-country escapes in its DNA. And now, a new Nightshade Special Edition grade decks out Sequoia for late-night city drives as well, with a blacked-out look that's both understated and stylish. Let's take a closer look at Sequoia to learn why it's the perfect full-size SUV for the journey, no matter where it leads. Sequoia might be perfect for families, but it definitely doesn't compromise on performance with its potent V8 engine. Likewise, the 7,400-pound towing capacity can handle trailers, boats, or just about anything else the crew wants to bring along. Next, Sequoia's advanced automatic limited slip differential uses the brakes to help reduce individual wheel spin, providing enhanced traction performance on unpredictable road surfaces like sand or mud. Meanwhile, Sequoia Platinum features an electronically controlled adaptive variable suspension system with driver-selectable settings that adapt to your needs, as well as a pneumatic height-controlled suspension that allows drivers to adjust ride height when carrying a lot of cargo. Meanwhile, the available multi-mode four-wheel drive system relies on a Torsen limited-slip center differential to send the ideal amount of torque to the front wheels on uncertain terrain. Plus, the multi-mode four-wheel drive system is designed with a locking feature and low-range ratio for when things get even more challenging. So when it's time to get back to nature, Sequoia's got plenty of power to move the family well beyond city limits. Inside Sequoia, there's room for everyone and everything, and it all rides first class. In terms of comfort, the limited grade excels with its heated front leather-trimmed seats, while the Platinum grade goes even further with ventilated leather-trimmed seating. Plus, every Sequoia offers automatic 3-zone climate control, so passengers in each area of the cabin can choose their ideal temperature. And it's always possible to let in the sunshine with Sequoia's standard power moonroof. Meanwhile, backseat passengers will love the available rear seat entertainment system, which includes a Blu-ray player and dual wireless headphones. Sequoia is offered in 6 grades, including the ever-popular SR5, the well-equipped Limited, and the top-tier Platinum model, as well as TRD Sport, the everyday enthusiast's obvious choice, taking a lesson from the racetrack with its tuned springs, Bilstein shocks, and sporty black badging. Plus, Nightshade Special Edition stylizes the limited grade's luxury experience with a darkened chrome grille, 20-inch black alloy wheels, black leather-trimmed seating, and black accents throughout. All 5 of these models can be configured with either rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Lastly, rounding out the lineup is TRD Pro, a serious off-roader engineered for maximum adventure. Only offered in four-wheel drive, TRD Pro features TRD-tuned Fox shocks, forged aluminum BBS wheels, Rigid Industries LED fog lights, a 1/4-inch thick aluminum skid plate, and an available black catback exhaust with an aggressive exhaust note. In short, this is one tough rig that will take you to places you never thought possible. Sequoia packs plenty of performance into its full-size frame, but it also boasts an array of safety systems to help protect every passenger. This all starts with Toyota Safety Sense P, a suite of safety technology that's standard across every Sequoia trim. TSSP includes Toyota's pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control. Additionally, Sequoia bolsters its safety story with the Star safety system and 8 airbags. And when in reverse, Sequoia's standard integrated backup camera automatically enables the audio multimedia touchscreen to help you see what's behind. But no matter where the trail leads with Sequoia, one thing you'll never leave behind is peace of mind. Everyone knows it's about the journey and not just the destination. That's why Sequoia is filled with convenient features that make it easy to take it all in. First, Sequoia features a standard 8-speaker Audio Plus system, which can be upgraded to a 12-speaker premium audio system on the limited grade. while select models go even further with the 14-speaker JBL sound system that includes a dedicated amplifier and subwoofer for extra bass. This latest range of audio multimedia systems also includes standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a 3-month SiriusXM All-Access trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. Additionally, Sequoia's multimedia systems also work in tandem with Toyota's line of available connected services, which include Remote Connect, Service Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Safety Connect, which provides 24/7 roadside assistance at the touch of a button. Meanwhile, Sequoia's standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is designed to identify nearby vehicles before changing lanes or backing out of a tight spot. And with Sequoia's standard smart key system, there's no need to reach into a pocket or purse. When you're nearby, simply grabbing the front door handles or liftgate will unlock the vehicle. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all adventure, but Sequoia makes it easy to travel anywhere with family and friends, and of course, the cargo that comes along with it, whether stowed inside or towed behind. In fact, up to 8 people can sit comfortably in Sequoia's cavernous cabin thanks to its 3 roomy rows of seating. And with Sequoia's independent rear suspension, that third row is extra accommodating for passengers, with a 60-40 split design that can fold flat when needed. Meanwhile, the second row bench design is comparable to a full-size sedan, with available premium captain's chairs, heated seats, and a multifunction center console with plenty of outlets. With all these seats folded flat, there's more than enough room for home improvement gear or an 8-person tent. And speaking of cargo, Sequoia's available power rear liftgate and power rear window provides convenient hands-free access to all that cargo space. And there's even a 12-volt power outlet in the cargo area for impromptu activities.